I feel sin coming on. I feel right that's about to go wrong. I got a shiver down to the bone. I feel sin coming on. I got a buzz in my brain. Drunk on a love going down like champagne. I got a feeling it's gonna leave a lipstick stain. Now be the only one to blame. And you can see it all over my face. Sweet temptation all over the place. Give me tall, dark, and handsome, mix it up with something strong. I feel sin coming on. Please, Jesus, don't hold me back. I know it ain't mine, but I want it so bad. The smoke and the whiskey's got me feeling easy. The lights will fade in the glass, and you can see it all over my face. Sweet temptation all over the place. Give me tall, dark, and handsome, mix it up with something strong. I feel a sin coming on.